Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making some chocolate peanut butter cups. What I have here is a mixture of peanut butter and icing sugar. 100 grams of peanut butter to 50 grams of icing sugar. I mixed it together in a bowl, flattened it out, and then froze it. I've got a little cookie cutter here, and I've got my mold ready to go here. And I wanted to cut out circles that are just going to basically fit inside there. They can't be too large. I'm going to cut some circles. And you can do any thickness that you want. I'm just going to get this in here. If this is not frozen, it's not going to work very well. And you need something where you can actually push through and get your little pieces out like that. And then I'm just going to pop them right there, just like that. And this will probably have to go back into the freezer while I get my chocolate ready. So I'm going to whip through this and I'll be back in a second. And before I do that, I just wanted to say this is actually very easy, as you can see. So you just want to push, and you can see nice little circles here. So I have some nice milk chocolate here, and I'm just going to start getting this into our little mold here. Okay, that's good. And then we'll just scoop these up. Where's my little thing here? And then we're just going to put those right in there. Let me just get that right like that. Right in the middle. And then just give it a little bit of a push. That looks good. So this way, cutting these first, it just kind of keeps everything together. So when you cut into that, when you cut into it in the middle, you're going to see it looks much nicer. We'll just get those on there like that. That looks good. Just going to give it a little bit of a push. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of a tap. And then I'm just going to add a little bit on the top here. And let's give it another tap. If you have any that are really messy, just try to clean them up a little bit here. I think that looks pretty good. So at this point I'm going to pop these into the freezer now, and then I'll come back later and we'll pop them out. So here we are again. These are all nicely chilled, so let's see how easily they come out of the mold. I'm going to flip it over. Oh, look at that. Oh, awesome to see. And there we go. Perfect. So these look pretty good. I could have done a better job with some of them, with the peanut butter showing, but overall I'm pretty happy. These look pretty good. Very nice. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Okay, so let's cut into one. To finish off my video, let's cut into one. I'll flip that around. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, that looks nice. I'll try to get that camera to zoom in as much as I can, but look, you can see that nice filling in there. Amazing. Oh, I am so happy with these. Oh, nice little snap on that. Look at that. I've got to go in for a bite. Oh, that is good. So that's it for this really fast video. If you enjoy peanut butter and chocolate, you have to try these. You're going to take one bite and you're going to want to make these all the time. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can also check me out at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Going in for another little bite. Oh, that is good. Yum. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.